Alright, y'all. Might take a minute for the camera to focus. It's hot. I'm gonna make this short. I'm having to chop these videos up. If you don't know, if you haven't watched one of my other videos, that I'm upgrading my sound. And hold on, let me represent Vote here. Vote NOLA. Vote NOLA if you want to check that out, see what that's about. That's a whole different story there. I never told y'all that. But anyway, I upgraded my sound. Everything sounding good, was jamming after the install, and I blame myself. You know, I was adjusting the pedal commander cord, and I think I snugged the wire, and then when I pushed the little carpet back under the dash, I think I unfortunately messed something up with my tweeters. So I'm sounding good, but I didn't even get to finish the video because of it. So I mean, I can do a little sound test now. Let's see. I'm not worried about copyright. I'm just gonna play something, some R&B, some Jill, my girl. I'll give you a little example. I'm not gonna raise it up too loud because the bass, you won't even be able to hear it. Everybody knows, no matter what you do to try to record bass, you're just not gonna be able to represent it. So let's get a little bit of this, and then I can show it. Well, I don't even have to show you. It's under the dash. You know, they got the little carpet, and I pushed something, and I think I might have dislodged something. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back, get Will to straighten that out. But play a little something here. Let's get this going. Let's see. I'm not gonna turn it too loud, but you'll be able to tell. Let's see. I'm missing my tick, gotta get these tweeters together, but sounds good, you know.
I've been working so hard and so long. I need to come home. I do. I've been going through some things, feeling all kind of hectic in my space. We all running the same race, different pace. Scary monsters in their face. Thinking that you'd stay. Gave you my heart and then you ran away. Either I'm stupid or foolish and you don't blame me. It seems. necessary breakdown. I won't be answering anything. I'll be so busy with my knees on the ground and my hands up towards the clouds, confessing out loud, confessing out loud. I'm too proud to say I'm slipping, slipping.
Take all the bass out, turn the bass amp off.
I would climb inside a red balloon,
Still
floating
haven't tuned
towards the
anything.
moon.
Gotta tweak everything.
For you, I would fly across the midnight sky, the stars and the moon. For you too. And on that flight, I devise a new way to say.
Yeah, I gotta tune everything, but and then retune everything when I get Will to go tweet us together. But so
I'm still working on it, baby.
had a fail and ain't even finished, you know, a fail before I even finish. Man, we gotta get it
Think I
together.
tried.
But turn the bass back
How
on.
about Jaremico?
But I'm pleased.
How about Jaremico?
Just gotta straighten everything out. Get it together.
How about Jaremico?
Get Will to take care of it tomorrow.
On my way, I realized I didn't have a gift
I like
for
the
you.
clarity, like the power.
So I wrapped my mind on what it
I'm
is
happy.
now
Yeah,
that
bring the noise when I want
supposed
to, you
to do.
know. All right, y'all.
Then it hit me.
Gotta get ready
I
for work.
kissed the
Now I wanna turn it
love in
too
the
loud.
air, hug the rain before it falls
Yeah, there's some
down.
power in it.
Put infinity into a melody and see how it
That box makes a difference too.
Sounds like
But I'm just missing that. I had it. Got a little clip of it on the other video, but it's my fault. Audio failed one, I guess you could say, you know. Man, turn Jill down a little bit, you know. Jill be singing to you, making love to you in your ear, you know, serenading you. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Just a little fail video. I don't do too many of those, but it happens, you know. Gotta tweak, gotta learn, stop messing with stuff, but I had to adjust the pedal command.